Morning, everybody. It's 8:35, and this is your pre-opening comment for Tuesday, February 15th. It's video number 1151. Going to try and make this fast. Okay, PPI and Empire State, both huge disappointments. PPI was up 1% month over month. Expectations were half that, up 5/10. Ex food and energy, the stupid number, up zero point 0.8 versus an expectation of half that, zero point 0.4. Month over month, those are the month over month numbers. The year over year numbers are 9.7% up, and ex food and energy up 8.3%. These are huge numbers. I mean, very hot numbers. Empire State Index, manufacturing index, went the other way, up only 3.1, or the reading was 3.1. Expectations were for 12, so almost four times worse. Merger news, Intel buying Tower Semi. The bid is in there at $53. That's about a $6 billion deal. Tower Semi, TSEM, traded as high as 55 on the news, so maybe there's a better offer. But the last is 46.98. That's up 13.83 or 40%. To give you an idea of what the markets did, the at 8:05 before those numbers came out, Dow was up 420. Nasdaq up 285, S&P up 66. After those numbers, not much of a sell-off. Dow up 357 versus 421, S&P up 55 versus 65, and the Nasdaq 240 versus 285. QSR, quick service restaurants, with a beat here. Stock is 58.54, up $1.38 or 2.4%. Marriott also had earnings, and they also beat. The stock closed yesterday 171.33, and this morning has traded as high as 178.42, last 176.86. That's up 553 or 3.23%. Chart on the screen is the nat gas, which we're long. As you can see, we've moved higher again today, currently up about 14 cents. The positive news, if it's in fact true, about Russia cooling down their aggression, has had no effect on this. I'm guessing that there's more of an effect on the fact that the high today in the Boston area and in the Northeast in general is going to be about 18 degrees. Currently, I mean, when I woke up, it was 2. Currently, about 6. So maybe that's more the issue. The gold was substantially lower this morning, as was oil. Oil down 271, gold down 21. As we get up into the upper reaches here, I'm going to show you it on a weekly, since it'll give a little better picture here. As you can see, we got back up into that same area that we keep on hitting. 1880 is the high. That beats this 1879, but not by much, and puts us right into this topping area in the 1880 to 1920 area. So this is a tough area for the gold, and as you can see, open interest has just collapsed again, which frankly is probably a good thing, because when the professionals get involved in this market, It's pretty amazing, something Dennis has taught me. And by the way, Dennis's performance yesterday was a phenomenal day. He was long the gold. He got out. He didn't go short, but he did get out and take a pretty hefty profit. I think that the numbers he was talking to me about was $8,000 in the day on a $35,000 account, and almost 30% on some of the larger accounts. So, you know, you really ought to be involved in the futures in a way other than the way we're trading the UNG for nat gas. Um, we still get stuck on the fact that our options don't open until after 9:30, and we can't get out in the middle of the night like Dennis can if there's this kind of a reversal. Okay, let's just take a quick run through. Oil down 255, gold coming back a little down, still 18 and change, silver down 63. I may be a buyer there. S&P, Dow, and Nasdaq all exactly as I told you. The dollar is slightly lower. Bitcoin up 2,190. That's a pretty nice move here off the recent consolidation after that run up. We still left a little gap here between Friday's close and yesterday's low, and today so far is an inside day. But we're up 5% in Bitcoin, which is, a pretty big move. And the Ethereum, which also was down yesterday, today up 7.66%. Same situation, except that Ethereum didn't leave a gap on the upside between Friday and Monday. So that's constructive, a little bit more constructive on a technical basis. Okay, everyone, be careful out there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here on this rally, whether I'm going to fade it or not. But again, it looks like we may end up losing half of our UNG position to the 100% up rule. Oh, there's also a new 2 minute with Suki, and it is posted already on our Discord page.